Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm super excited to bring to you guys my very first variable ND filter, and this is by K&F Concept, which they have nothing to do with me. They haven't sponsored this. I've bought this myself. And if you guys follow this channel a little bit, you guys would know last year I committed to a camera, my very first purchase, which is a camera, a proper camera with lens and stuff like that. And as you buy a camera, you start photography, and I've started doing that. So I needed this for some of the outdoor photography I was interested in. So let's get this unboxing underway. All right, so that is the box here. Now while we're looking at this, I'd like to let you guys know that this channel completely survives on your subscriptions, and by subscribing you'll be ensuring that my work continues as unbiased as it can be. Okay, so this is it. As you guys can see, it goes quite dark, and then let's slide in. Those of you who are new, the ND filter is just basically sunglasses for your camera, so you can use it outside without playing too much with your exposure and shutter speed and all that. But a variable one is without having to go through a different light. So the sunlight obviously is harsh at certain angles and at certain times of day. You'll need different sort of blackness or dark lenses. So instead of having different ones, you just have the one to rule them all. So this is basically it. All right, that's it guys, basically for this video. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about my unboxing and what you guys would like me to test on this and all that shenanigans. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take good care. Bye bye.